Okay, y'all, so today I am doing a tomato paste, and I already blanched the tomatoes, and I'm just peeling off the skin. As you can see, I'm going to put the skin aside in a separate bowl, but we're going to use that skin, so don't throw it out. So okay, we drained those are cooled, and I'm going to do a quick mash. I'm just going to use a whisk because it was what I had in reach, but it works just as well as a masher. I actually prefer it, but we're going to add some of that sea salt. You want to use sea salt, don't use table salt. This is kind of to aid in preservation, so make sure you use a good salt. Okay, so there's a foam that develops once you're boiling. I'm all tongue-tied, but once you're boiling, there's a foam, and you want to take that off. I don't know why. It's just what I was taught. I need to look that up, but that's how we're looking right there. We got that boiling. It's been boiling on the stove for about half an hour. So it's kind of at medium, so it's like a low boil. So this is how it looks now. Now we added our skins in there when we boiled, okay? So you want to put all this in a blender. You put it in there hot. It doesn't have to be cool. Okay. So we're going to post this and just puree it. We just want to make sure it's as smooth as possible. It doesn't have to be long. So we're going to get a nice little tiny mesh colander like so. Put it over a bowl and pour that sauce, because this is tomato sauce at this point. This is tomato sauce. So I'm going to turn this tomato sauce into tomato paste. So you go ahead and you just sift that through. Just press it through, and you're going to get a lot of juice, but you want to keep going. And it's going to look like you're not doing anything, but you are, and it's going to take a couple minutes to do this. So you just keep pressing it through, just like so. You see how I'm doing that? Just pressing that through, and this is going to hold off all the skins and seeds and anything outside of that smooth tomato sauce that we're coming out with. Okay, see that? That's what we have left. Skins and seeds. And now we come out with this really smooth tomato sauce that's lightly seasoned with the sea salt. Like, this is good. If you need tomato sauce, it's good right there. So we're gonna get some silpat, or you can use wax paper if you need to. I have silpat, and put it in an 11x5 pan, and or whatever size long pan that you have, and you're gonna pour that beautiful tomato sauce, and we're gonna spread it out. It doesn't have to be a completely thin layer. I would say, like, I don't even know. I'm not good with the measurements. Like, that's how it needs to look. I don't know if you saw it. That's how it needs to look. So set your oven to 200 degrees. Place that in there, and you're gonna set a timer for 30 minutes. Okay. So this is how it looks after 30 minutes, and you're gonna put it back in. It's not ready. You just have to do it in these two intervals, for reasons of make sure you don't burn it, and just check it and see, because sometimes it depends on how thick you layer it, the consistency. But this is how it turns out. The edges are caramelized. That's exactly what you want. That's all the natural sugars doing that, and that's how I know my tomato paste is done. So I have a ball jar. Are those called ball jars? Anyway, I have a jar, okay, with a sealing on it, and I'm gonna place that tomato paste in there, and then I'm gonna pour a layer of olive oil on top, and that's for flavor and to help sealing. At least that's what I think that I was taught. And there we go. There's our tomato paste, you guys. Enjoy.